Betterme is a wellness app that tries to cover everything workouts, food tracking, water intake, and lifestyle challenges, but in practice, it feels more suited for beginners than advanced users. The workout section is easy to follow with guided exercise videos and simple routines you can do at home, but there's little flexibility to swap or customize exercises, which limits its usefulness for experienced people. The food section is even weaker. It offers basic meal ideas without much depth or guidance on preparation, and many users report it's not worth paying for. In fact, you could get better, personalized meal plans by using free tools like ChatGPT or dedicated nutrition trackers such as Chronometer. The app also runs paid challenges like six-pack abs, but they often cost extra and don't justify the price. Another common complaint is billing users have struggled to cancel subscriptions or secure refunds. Overall, Betterme looks polished and can help beginners build a basic routine, but compared to free fitness videos on YouTube and other nutrition apps, it doesn't stand out.